Well, hello there. America's Dad coming to you again. We chatted briefly yesterday. We'll have a little quick chat today. Yesterday, I showed you a policy that I have for my daughter that was a variable life policy, which has done quite well over the last few years because the market has done quite well. And I want to show you one that is just an index universal life with guaranteed revenue and guaranteed no losses. So it's not going to pay the big money, but you're also not going to lose money. So it just depends on what you like. I started this policy off with a face amount for my son of $225,000. That was about 10 and a half, 11 years ago. I've paid approximately about 20 grand into this policy for that life insurance and his value that is going to interest and profit or whatnot. So he's up to $21,627 in actual cash value, and his death benefit is at the $21,627.60 sits on top of the 225. So he's now got a death benefit of $246,627.60. He's now 12 years old. So you got a 12-year-old. Yesterday my daughter was 11. So 11 and 12, they both have about $20-some thousand in equity in their policies, which, if you don't know how these IULs work, they work like infinite banking, where you can actually borrow money from them and pay the money back at a very small interest rate, and you still earn interest on the amount of money you have in the account before you took the money out. So they pay the interest. Like if I borrowed money on this account, they would still be paying interest on the $21,627, even though I had borrowed, say, $18,000 off of it. So what makes these things really cool is they're flexible. You can borrow money. You can pay more premiums. You can pay less premiums. You can do a lot of different things with these policies. So if you'd like to, secure your young son or daughter's future, give us a call. These are great policies to get started instead, a lot of the Gerber policies or whatever. They start with a $25,000 whole life, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's guaranteed 3 or 4% interest. But these policies right here, there's no set payment you have to make all the time. The more money you make, the more it'll grow in cash value. Obviously, the more money you pay, the more money it'll grow in cash value. But you can, if things are tight, you can take a month off, that kind of stuff. So great policies to get your kids started with. So there you go. Thank you.